I have no idea how you say this name, but this thing is actually pretty darn good. What I do, this vacuum sealer, this lifts off like that, and you can take a roll, feed it up underneath there, and then place this back down. And then I will slide this. This right here is the sealing bar. So you kind of have to imagine how big that you want the bag. Pull it that far. I'm doing these stakes. So that's about big enough. So you close it. It locks on both sides. Press it down. Hit seal. And it'll seal. When the light goes off, I just press the light on, but when the light's off, as you can see, this is sealed. And you just come along here and cut what will be the bottom of the bag off. And then I'll pull this back a bit like that, because this area here does the vacuum sealing, vacuum packing, I guess. And so I will take the steak, put it in the bag. Make sure the ends go down into that well, like that. Like that. Then seal it. Make sure you hear both clicks and hit vacuum seal. Now it's sealing, the light's still on, that'll go off, and you can unclick it. Voila! Great little, I always cut the ends here, cut the excess off. So I have to say this thing is a pretty good little unit. I don't know, what, it was 50 bucks I guess. There was a moist setting, a dry setting, canister, vacuum seal, mode, food, seal, stop. There's an accessory port, although the one thing I would say is that this does not, this comes with the hose for the accessory port, but it doesn't come with a canister top. The instructions right on the top here. Seal the bottom. This end's open. Slide that back. You can sometimes see the juice being sucked toward the end there, and if you see that, you'll want to hit the moist button before you do it. I mean, not at the end like that. You hit the moist button before you seal it, obviously. So let's do another one. Seal it. I've hit the moist button. Although slide this back. If it doesn't seal, what you need to do is check that the bag is down far enough in this tray. If it's up here like this, it won't seal, or it'll just keep trying to seal and not actually seal. So make sure you give yourself enough material here so it gets into that slot quite a ways. And then hit vacuum seal. Sometimes I'll hit these buttons and it starts going, but you just hit the stop button. This thing seems to curve toward, one side is textured and one side smooth. It seems to want to curve toward the textured side for some reason. I'm not sure why that is, but I put the curved side down into the tray. A little piece of meat there. Aha, look at that. It's not sealing. So I'll stop it. Ooh, it started to seal actually. Okay, so that's a good example of something that did not work. So let's cut this. Oh, it's didn't seal. So I'm not sure why it didn't seal. So let's just try it again. Put that side down, make sure it's good and flat and smooth along the edge there. And interesting. Stop that. Just out of curiosity, let's flip it around, just see what happens if we flip it upside down. Maybe there's a hole in the bag somewhere. Let's see. Oh, that seems so slow to seal there. Yeah, that's not doing it. So even though I'm letting it seal, we're gonna... Okay, so that's sealed, but it definitely didn't vacuum pack. I'm not even sure why it didn't. So I'm just gonna cut it open, try it with another piece, which I'm sure this will work. I don't know why it didn't work. The bag seemed fine. I don't know what the deal was. Let's see here. So seal. Would be nice if it's sealed and cut. That would actually be awesome. Seal it, cut it. I'm going to take this piece of meat out, put it into this one. See if we can't get this to seal. Put that down. There we go. This one doesn't seem to be doing it either. Let's see. These are just little filet mignons. Little ones. Okay, that one didn't take either. So, let's try it again. Sometimes I wonder if this edge is, if it's if it's cut roughly, like if it's not a smooth cut, because this is not a super smooth cut right here. I'm just wondering if that matters, but let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. No, it's a pretty good unit for 50 bucks. I've done a whole bunch of New York steaks before this. This is a whole tenderloin actually right here. I'm pretty happy. The bags you can buy in bulk. And so yeah. Last time I did this I didn't feed it through, but I kind of like this idea of feeding it through here, and when you do this, make this roll this way. If you do it the other way, it's going to roll away from you. So roll it under the sheet, have the sheet come down and under. Anyway, cool little unit.